Hey, my name is Sam and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to combine text from multiple cells using the CONCAT and CONCATENATE functions in Excel. Introducing shortcuts like these into your spreadsheets helps you clean up data faster and reduce manual entry mistakes. Let's start with the basics. Imagine we've got a list of first and last names in separate columns, and we want to combine them into a full name. To do that, we'll use the concatenate function. Type the following function. This joins the first name, a space, and the last name into a single text string. But in the newer versions of Excel, concatenate is being replaced with a simpler version, concat. It works exactly the same way, but is a bit cleaner. To do the same thing using concat, type the following function. You will notice that concat can join values from cells and include any text you want, like spaces or punctuation. Now, let's take this up a notch with an intermediate example. Here we have a table with product codes, colors, and sizes. We want to create a new SKU code by combining these values with hyphens. Click into the first SKU code cell and type the following function. This builds a unique identifier like x.3 blue large by stringing each element together. Remember, you can also use concat with numbers, dates, or even cell references pulled from formulas. It's a flexible tool for organizing or labeling your data. Here's one more tip. If you need to do this across multiple rows quickly, just click and drag the fill handle down the column to copy the formula to the rest of your data. Excel will automatically adjust the cell references for each row. And if you ever want to make your join data static, just copy the column, right-click, and choose Paste Values to freeze it. That's everything on how to use concat and concatenate in Excel to join text across cells. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely enjoy the one on screen now. Don't forget to subscribe for more web tips.